Thank you so much for downloading my free step-by-step testicle massage guide. I have gotten enough questions so I can make a whole video to answer those questions for you. If you're new here, my name is Katyusha, your sexuality coach. Please consider to subscribe and let's go. Question number 1. Does size of my testicles matter? Mine is like numb jumbo chicken size. My ex said that jumbo chicken eggs are small and not very manly. So first of all, jumbo chicken egg is the largest egg in the family, right? Your regular, like not smaller, the tiny one. The regular chicken egg is about 21 OZ and the jumbo chicken egg is like 30 OZ. She doesn't know what she's talking about, number 1. Number 2, you're lucky that she's not your girlfriend anymore. And number 3, there was a study done in 2013 that showed that men with smaller testicles were better and more nurturing fathers. So the smaller testicles were associated with higher levels of paternal care, right? Which is not a bad thing. From my personal experience too, my boyfriends had pretty small testicles, but both of them were very sexual human beings and their sex drive was strong, and one of them had 4 kids and everything's fine. So you're fine as long as they are healthy. You're absolutely fine. Own it what you have. It's not that you can change it. We have to own what you have. That's all. Question number 2, does size have anything to do with testosterone? So it's kind of similar with the first question, right? So yeah, some studies on mammals, not humans, but mammals showed that larger testicles are associated with higher sperm count and higher testosterone level. But just like I said, you know, in reality, does it really matter? I don't think so, as long as they are healthy. Is it okay if I don't use lubricant when I do testicle massage? So I recommend to do it with coconut oil or with any skin-friendly oil of your choice, but you can try to do it without. Yes, I mean, it's the same thing. You can get a massage with oil, right? Masseuses, they all use oil, almost all use oil, right? And then, but you can get it without it. It's like it's just won't slide on your skin as much, right? Try to do both and see what works for you. As long as it's, you know, comfortable. You don't want to feel any discomfort in that area. Do I know a professional place in Thailand where you would get testicle massages? No, I've never been to Thailand. Will I open a testicle massage shop? No, I won't. How long does it take to see benefits like testosterone increase, strong erections? A month or something like that. So obviously I don't have testicles, right, to tell you from my lived bodily experience. I have a friend. He's been practicing testicle massage for a while, and I asked him this question personally, and he said you can see the benefits the exact same day. He said it was a game changer for him, and he is a martial artist. He's a black belt, 2nd level master in martial arts. And he said, if you do it right, you feel it the same day. He said he goes into it as a meditation. He spends more time that I've given to you, because my practice is designed to be like a shorter practice, which will totally, you will see benefits if you practice it every day or consistently, maybe every other day. But he doesn't practice it consistently, I believe, like not every day, but when he goes into it, he spends like 40 minutes, and he said it's my meditation connecting his genitals, his heart, and his mind, right? And he, you know, he breathes and he draws the energy up and down through microcosmic orbit. And his problem was that he had too much sexual energy. It was like charged. He was only thinking about sex. So actually it helped him to facilitate that sexual energy throughout his body so he can do and create other things in the world than just sitting and thinking about sex. So this practice was invented, as far as we know, by Shaolin's monks in the Greater China, initially to harden the erections and to release tension after having sex, right? But testicle massage has so many other benefits. I invite you to watch this video right here where I go more in depth about the benefits of testicle massage. But testicles are your power point. This is where testosterone is produced. You run on testosterone. Testosterone is your primary hormone, right? This world was built on testosterone. So why not to maintain that familiarity with that potent part of your anatomy, right, regularly? And actually, I'll go into the other question right away. So can I do a testicle massage when I feel something is wrong with my testicles? I don't know. I'm not a doctor. And if you feel like something is wrong with your testicles, you go to see a doctor. Maybe nothing is wrong, right? Maybe, and me and ex-girlfriend said something and now you're fantasizing. However, if you maintain that familiarity with your testicles by massaging them regularly, you will actually notice if something is wrong, or you will prevent something that, going wrong with testicles. There's another question. Can I squeeze a bit hard? You're not supposed to feel any discomfort. You should definitely feel it, but go gentle, firm at the same time, and slow. That's a gentle one. That's all the questions that I have gotten so far. I will see you next week. Thank you.